Scene script. Why don't cocktails ever go to school? Because they always get mixed up. Welcome to the British invasion of cocktails. As we dive into this flavorful journey, let's get one thing straight. The Brits love their cocktails just as much as they love their tea. And that's saying something. From the pubs of London to the Highlands of Scotland, cocktails have become a staple of British culture, much like the Queen's Guard or a rainy afternoon. Over the years, this love for cocktails has evolved, with the Brits adding their own unique spin to these delightful concoctions. They've brewed, stirred, and shaken, transforming the cocktail scene from a simple gin and tonic to an art form that would make even the Mad Hatter envious. And speaking of tea, did you know that the British obsession with tea has even found its way into cocktails? Yes, you heard it right. The Brits are stirring up a storm, one tea-infused cocktail at a time. If you think tea time is fun, wait till you see cocktail hour. The first cocktail on our list is as British as the Queen's corgis. It's the Pimm's Cup. Now, the Pimm's Cup is a delightfully refreshing cocktail, a perfect companion for those lazy summer days. The recipe is simple and straightforward. First, you'll need Pimm's No. 1, a gin-based spirit that's as British as the changing of the guard. Pour 1 part of this into a glass. Next, we introduce what I like to call the water loaf, better known as cucumber. Slice up a few pieces and add them to your glass. The cucumber adds a crisp freshness that really makes this cocktail stand out. Add 3 parts of lemonade, a splash of ginger ale for that zing, and garnish with a sprig of mint for that royal touch. Some people even add strawberries and oranges. Why not? It's a party in a glass. Fun fact, Pimm's Cup was originally created as an oyster bar's health tonic in the mid-19th century. Talk about a cure-all. Just like the British Empire, this drink is all over the place, but in the best possible way. Next up, we have a cocktail that's as dark and mysterious as a London fog, the Black Velvet. This intriguing blend of champagne and stout brings together 2 of Britain's most cherished beverages in a tantalizing dance of flavors. It's as though the royal family and the Beatles decided to start a band, and the resulting harmony is nothing short of spectacular. Now let's dive into the recipe. To create the Black Velvet, you'll need equal parts stout and champagne. Pour the stout first, then gently top it with champagne, maintaining the distinct layers. And voila, you've got yourself a Black Velvet. But let's not forget the fun fact about this cocktail. The Black Velvet was allegedly created by a bartender at London's Brooks's Club in 1861, as a mark of mourning for the death of Prince Albert. The dark stout represented the black armbands worn by mourners. Now that's a drink that could write a Beatles song. So we've conquered the Pimm's Cup and the Black Velvet, but remember, with great cocktails comes great responsibility. We've journeyed through the heart of British cocktail culture, sipped on the summery sweetness of the Pimm's Cup, and savoured the bold, bubbly blend of the Black Velvet. These aren't just drinks, they're a testament to the artistry of mixology, the joy of gathering, and the spirit of celebration. And now, you've got the recipes right at your fingertips, ready to dazzle your friends and family. But here's a word of caution. Once you start mixing these delightful drinks, you might just become the most popular person at parties. So, prepare yourself for a barrage of compliments, and maybe even a few requests for private mixology lessons. In the end, it's not just about concocting the perfect cocktail. It's about the gin, champagne, and cucumber you mix along the way. Remember, it's not about the destination. It's about the gin, champagne, and cucumber you mix along the way. Cheerio.